A warm welcome. Good morning, everyone, to the fourth Automotive Manufacturing Meetup. Uh, Next slide, please. Let's just jump directly into the discussion. All right. So to set the stage, let's talk about the evolutionary strides happening in automotive. The year 2023 can rightfully be called the year of generative AI POCs. This was a period marked by an unprecedented wave of experimentation and exploration as organizations sought to understand and harness the power of this emerging field. In 2024, let's fast forward, organizations shifted from a proof of concept to a production mindset, and they unlocked generative AI's true potential to drive tangible business impact. Companies today are using generative AIs to create synthetic driving scenes for autonomous vehicle and advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, with multiple variations to generate more complex scenarios. Now it is possible to search for scenes using natural language. For example, pedestrians, crosswalk, rainy day, etc. Instead of you scanning through hours of video images to train your machine learning models for AV, autonomous vehicle, and ADAS, the advanced driver assistance systems. The advanced diagnostic software, AI, and machine learning algorithms are used to expedite fault detection and repair processes, which is super critical in today's automotive industry. This technological integration is actually becoming a key differentiator in the market. Not to forget, the personalized approach to vehicle shopping represents a significant shift in the automotive retail landscape. It's transforming how dealerships and manufacturers interact with potential customers, moving from one size fits all approach to a highly tailored experience. Now, who would not love that? Everybody wants a personalized and a highly tailored experience to be given to them as an end customer. Companies, remember, that successfully implement these strategies are likely to see improvements in customer satisfaction, which is again critical and super important, sales efficiency, and the overall market competitiveness. Next slide, please. All right, let's move on to the manufacturing end now. In the AI-enhanced factory of today, we do not react to problems. Rather, we prevent them before they occur. Predictive analytics and machine learning algorithms are creating a new manufacturing reality where downtime is predicted, quality is assured, and efficiency is continuously optimized. We are not just foreseeing the future, we are actively shaping it. Companies use AI models to generate synthetic data that mimics real world scenarios, including hard to obtain defect samples. Now, this is important because there were scenarios which you could not predict in the past, but now with AI and the models that we generate, we can actually mimic the hard to obtain defect samples. What does this help achieve? Basically, it helps to expand the horizons of quality control. Additionally, it also helps to spot the invisible defect. That's the key part, the invisible defect, which is called the AI augmented vision. Industry-specific AI models can augment human capabilities in specialized roles, potentially addressing skill gaps and labor shortages in the sector. Imagine you want to achieve something and you don't have skills. You have labor shortages, and AI comes to your rescue here. So it can only enhance the production, it can only enhance the efficiency and have a better customer satisfaction, as I mentioned earlier. The AI and IoT are like the nervous system of the future factory. By integrating AI with IoT, we are not just connecting devices, we are creating an intelligent, responsive ecosystem. Every sensor is a neuron, every machine is a limb, when all orchestrated by the AI brain, which never sleeps. This isn't just about data collection, it's about turning that data into actionable intelligence, driving efficiency, innovation, and value creation at every level. Next slide, please. All right, let's talk about some of the trends. Our customers are using Gen AI to drive innovation, boost productivity, and enhance operational efficiency. Some of the examples that comes to my mind are look at Toyota's use case. So Toyota uses AI to capture and transfer critical institutional knowledge from retiring employees, which helps in the reduction of mean time to repair and production line equipment, and also helps it reduce battery scrappage. And imagine you have these employees been working for ages. They have that institutional knowledge, collating that data or knowledge from them, with the help of the AI, they're helping in reduction of the mean time to repair, which is super, super critical again, and also helps in the reduction of the battery scrappage. On the other hand, Honda had worked with AWS to redefine the in-vehicle EV charging experience by combining data from its connected vehicle platform, external data sources, and layering in the generative AI. Honda delivers a personalized, connected, and intelligent charging solution that caters to the evolving needs of the EV owners. Now, as we all know, we are shifting towards electric vehicle. So this is again super, super critical and super important. At the core of all of this experience is Honda's use of Amazon Bedrock, providing drivers with personalized charging recommendations and route guidance by factoring in the battery health data, the driving patterns, and the available charging stations that's nearby the vehicle. The autonomous vehicle and ADAS development requires a data-driven process that relies on hundreds of petabytes of drive data and complex tool chains. Not to forget a note, Continental and AWS are already collaborating to accelerate the AV ADAS development process in the cloud. Next slide, please. All right. Gen AI. Again, Gen AI is making a fundamental shift in how we approach vehicle production, ownership, and sales, positioning forward-thinking companies at the forefront of automotive innovation. And that is why we see unprecedented interest in generative AI. Let me highlight. On the production floor, we are witnessing AI-driven solutions significantly reducing the mean time to repair for critical equipment and to minimize battery scrappage. Remember, Gen AI is not just an add-on. It is a core driver of competitive advantage across our value chain, from manufacturing floor to the customer store. Next slide, please. All right. Let me quote our CEO Andy Jassy here. So Andy says, Gen AI is one of the biggest technical transformations in our lifetime that can transform virtually every customer experience. Right now, we are starting to see the AI transformation in real time. By 2030, it is forecasted that 74.5 billion US dollars will be spent on AI in the auto industry alone, and 68.4 billion US dollars on AI in manufacturing industry. This figure, if you accumulate, is a 20-time increase in investment over the next 7 years for auto and an increase of $33.5 billion for manufacturing. Next slide, please. All right. The generative AI in automotive, AWS for automotive offers over 17 years of unmatched experience and industry expertise, working with automotive manufacturers, suppliers, and technology providers to accelerate breakthrough innovations for the next generation of vehicles. So watch out for this space. Next slide, please. All right, I think I've taken a center stage for a long time, and as we shift gears, I'm really thrilled to pass the torch to Madhu, who will unveil the groundbreaking AWS reInvent